Hello viewers, today I'll show you a delicious and decadent goat chops recipe from India called Shahi Chaanpain. This is a Mughlai cuisine recipe which is extremely rich and flavourful. For this recipe I've taken 3 very meaty and fatty goat chops. Let's marinate them with some crushed ginger, garlic, green chili paste, the paste of 1 red onion. Here I have some almond and poppy seed paste which I have made myself. I'll add 4 teaspoons of this paste into the chops and around half cup of thick yogurt or dahi. Mix everything well into the chops and then let them marinate for at least 2 hours. For the gravy, I'll need the paste of 2 red onions, 1½ teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon degi mirch and 1 teaspoon ground black cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, the remaining poppy seed and almond paste, some saffron soaked in warm water, some keora water and some rose water. Heat some oil in a cast iron pot and then add the onion paste and bay leaves into the pot and let them fry for 2 minutes. Keep stirring the pot and then add the powdered spices into the pot. Blend the spices in. Then add the remaining almond and poppy seed paste into the pot, followed by salt according to your taste. Mix everything together. Now it is time to add the goat chops into the pot and give them a mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder into the pot and mix it in. Keep frying and stirring the pot until the oil starts surfacing to the top. Then add enough water to cook the chops. Scrape the pot along the sides and the bottom and then bring the pot to a boil. Cover and cook for at least 45 minutes or till the chops are tender. Then take the lid off. As you can see, everything is well blended and the chops are very tender. Add the saffron into the pot along with 1 tablespoon each of keora water and rose water. Give the pot a mix and our delicious Mughlai goat chops are ready. Let's plate up our Shahi Chaanpain. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this flavourful and decadent dish with naans or chapatis. Shahi Chaanpain is a Mughlai dish which is not for the calorie conscious and isn't an everyday dish. It is wonderful for the winter months or for festive occasions. Give it a try and enjoy.